All right, welcome to a tour of the MSC Meraviglia. In this tour, we're going to be just covering the Galleria, or aka the shops. We've got a good, nice look of what's available around here. I've actually been on this ship for about 7 nights now, so it's been quite a long journey on this ship. As you can see here, this is the Galleria. It consists of about 3 or 4 shops, including a dessert shop, a gelato shop, as well as a chocolate shop. As you see up here, there are these dome shows that play about 2 times a day, and they consist of different variety of shows considering the theme of the night. For example, last night was the dinosaur show. Now, on the right side, these are kind of like their daily specials and sales, so this is going to be things around what they're going to be on sale today and just things they want to showcase. So, they'll have things like triple sets for price of one, for watches or hats. They'll also have things like discounts around bags such as clutches and whatnot, as well as some souvenirs that are MSC related. If you look here, this is the gelato and the crepe shop. This is not complimentary, so you do have to pay out of pocket for this, but it is pretty delicious based on what I've heard. Take a quick look over here. So what kind of flavors they have going on here. Got hazelnut there, Nutella, hello. Got chocolate, cookie dough. Definitely a ton of different variety here, and it's open quite late here as well, so you can enjoy a snack even when the buffet is closed. I'm not really sure, I haven't been here, but this is a specialty dining location specializing in seafood. So over here we have our excursion desk. As you proceed a bit further, you'll notice the domes. At nighttime, they'll have their DJs playing up here, and they'll have folks dancing on top of these acrylic stages, so it can get pretty wild at night in terms of the nightlife. Though it does feel a bit crowded here when you have a ton of folks here, especially some of the staff members trying to get the party started. If we go over here, this is the Jean Valente Chocolate Cafe. Really enjoy this exquisite piece of artwork here. As you can see, it's really intricate, and there's just a ton of little motion cranes and pulleys that are showcasing a ton of different immaculate detailed objects. Alright, so we're going to walk over here to the chocolate bar, where they make chocolate pretty much all day long. I've seen these people make chocolate even towards 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock at night. It's quite crazy how much production is happening here at this cafe. So you can see here we have a bit of delicate chocolates, Earl Grey, fused mint green, a lemon ganache, and what else? We also have macaroons, which is available for yacht club members as a reward in their rooms, if I'm not mistaken. What's nice about this is that it does have a nice lookout table here, so you can enjoy the view of the ocean and just kind of sit down and enjoy your drink, enjoy the cafe, and kill some time. As you can see here, this is our last sea day, so it is actually quite busy. People are trying to claim their last souvenirs before the end of the cruise. Look at that detailing here. This is all chocolate covered in paint. Now you can see here, we have some more detailed chocolate sculptures. We even have a Statue of Liberty. And we see the folks working back here making chocolate. Like I said, they are working all day, all along. I've seen the same folks from last night still making the chocolate, so they are just a mass factory producing chocolate back here. Here we have a caveman, which kind of reminds me of a cruise, if you've ever seen that. And what's that? How to Train Your Dragon? Right there. And then, alright, so we walk over here. You do see jewelry shop here. If you looked over here, there was a kind of a taqueria cantina. not going to go in because there are people are shopping, but I'll just showcase from the outside. There are a wide selection of pretty high-end watches as well as some mid-tier watches. So we have things like Omega in there, Van Dior, and of course your standard FE. Now, if you look over here, this is pretty much where they do like trivia. I believe it's called the Meraviglia bar. They do the discoing here, their lessons. So this is very packed at night, especially after a Broadway show. It is quite a popping location. Now, if I go here to the left, you'll see this boutique shop here, which consists of a variety of things like Lacoste, your standard Hugo Boss, as well as some more high-end designer bags and whatnot. So and probably some more Italian brands I've never heard of, things like Afurla. How much? You can take a peek inside here to see what is available. This is the men's boutique shop as well. There. Armani Exchange, of course. Tommy Hilfiger. You have a Lacoste display case as well. Alright, and as you go towards here, this is the entrance of the Broadway Theater. They have shows consisting around 7:30 as well as 9:30 and occasionally an 11:30 show for adults only. So let's just kind of take a brief look at some of the shows that are available today. So we have a cruise bingo dome show at 1:45. Definitely a ton of different variety of things. Keep you busy. Right now there is going to be a variety talent show by the crew staff. And as you look here, there are some additional shows like a comedy club show. There's a music production show, and then any night with 18 and older comedy.
Are you sure? Then that's when we were not there yet.
All right, so we're going to head upstairs on the 6th floor. I will show you some of the more specialty dining locations.